What would you cite as the most important reason for your early success with small amounts of capital? And given hindsight today, what might you have done to improve your strategy with these small funds?
Yeah, well, I had a great teacher. I had exceptional focus, and I had the right sort of emotional qualities that would help me in being an investor. I enjoyed the game. I mean, it's just about, you know, hard enough to be interesting, but not so hard as to be beyond the capabilities of people understanding it. And that's kind of the way this game is. I mean, it's not like Henry Singleton kind of questions he took on. It's actually a pretty easy game, and it does require a certain emotional stability. And I went at it, hammer and tong. I went through the manuals and everything, but I was enjoying when I did it. And like I say, I started out between ages 7 and about 19. I had that same enthusiasm, but I didn't really have any guiding principle. And then I ran into The Intelligent Investor and Ben Graham, and then at that point I was able to take all this energy and everything, and enthusiasm for it, and now I had a philosophy that made a lot of sense, total sense, and I found that I could employ, and so the game became even more fun. But it wasn't really more complicated than that. Charlie?
Well, I don't have anything to add. I do think that it's an easy game if somebody has the temperament for it and keeps at it because he likes it and is interested in it. I have a problem that Warren has less of. I don't like being too much an example to people who want to get rich by being shrewd and buying and passively holding securities. I don't think that's enough of a life. If you wrest a fortune from life by being shrewder than other people and buying little pieces of paper, I don't think that's an adequate contribution in exchange for what you're taking. So I like it when you're investing money for an endowment or a pension fund or your relatives or something, but I never considered it enough of a life to merely be shrewd in picking stocks and passively holding them.
Yeah, running Berkshire has been far, far more fun than running, in my case, Buffett Partnership or just an investment fund. I mean,
you'd be less of a man if you run that partnership.
It'd be a crazy way to go through life.
Yeah.
I mean, it just, Berkshire is incredibly more satisfying.
So if you're good at just investing your own money, I hope you'll morph into doing something more.